We're here today. We're shooting some updated listing photos on this one. We actually had this one listed last year. We had a buyer for it very quickly, but unfortunately it happened so fast the seller couldn't move out in time, so we couldn't put the deal together, which is crazy, but kind of worked out. Buyer, or I should say the seller of this property, ended up getting his new home done, completed, moved out. So now it's a little bit easier to show, timeframes work out better. So, but this property, super cool. I'm excited about this one. This one's on 5.8 acres. We're here in Queen Creek. We're not even deep far out. A lot of people think when you have this kind of property, you're like deep Santan Valley. We're not. We're actually in a great location. We're right off of Sossaman, Hunt Highway area, paved roads all the way up to it. This one is on city water, which is super rare out here. Typically people are on well, so you actually got city water. We have a full 180-degree view of the mountains for basically the Santan Gold Mine trails right there all the way to the other side. So you have full pano mountain views. Like I said, 5.8 acres. It's got a triple wide manufactured home on it right now that's only 15 years old. It's 2,700 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath on this one. Some of my personal favorite features on this one though, I think the real selling point on this, it's got a huge 3,000 square foot shop and has an additional 5-car garage right here, still building. So this is a really cool property in terms of, I think what would make the most sense on something like this and where this is probably going to appeal to is small business owner, right? If you own like a landscaping business, little trucking company, a contracting company, you just need space for your stuff. This could be a great option. There's no HOA on this one. It's got a full shop in the back. Like I said, 3,000 square foot. It's got a lift, got a 5-car garage. I mean, plenty of parking, plenty of room for stuff. You could totally live in this house and then go build your dream home on the front of it and then get rid of that when you're done, or totally keep it. Like I said, it's a really nice place, as you'll see. So it'd be interesting to see what the market thinks of this one. We had it on for just a little bit before, had to pull it off because the seller honestly couldn't happen fast enough. So let me show you guys this place. So like I said, we're on a full 5.8 acres. This section right here, you've got a 5-car garage. It's a steel building, obviously really, really nice. If you guys come on in and take a look, plenty of room on this one. And it's done really nicely. It's a full steel structure. It's relatively new on this one. You've got the full 8-foot tall doors. So if you got a big pickup truck, big cars, easily fits in there. Plenty of room for parking. It's right next to the house here. And then one of my, like I said, my personal favorite features on this one, where I think the real value adder is, aside from just the land, is you've got this big 3,000 square foot shop in the back. So this is gonna be for the guy that, like I said, has a car collection, likes to work on cars, tractors, any of that kind of stuff. That's where this is really gonna shine. So we've got 2 huge roll-up doors. It also comes with a lift on this, which is pretty nice. Got a heavy-duty 2-post lift. Tons of wiring already done all the way around. I bought a lot of 220 done all the way. We've got plumbing still done in here, so if you wanna add your own bathroom, shower, toilets, all that kind of stuff, it's already ran in here for you. So that's why I said a lot of the hard work on this thing is done. You don't see properties this size, like I said, just under 6 acres with the full shop ready to go, full garage ready to go, pre-wired. I mean, it's turnkey. And like I said, stuff like this just doesn't typically. Most of our lot sizes out here, when people think of land, 1.25 acres, maybe 2.5, definitely not 6. Fully, like I said, fenced all the way around. It's got an electric gate, shop like this ready to go, especially in this price point. I mean, it's just a huge value for the land. So let me show you guys the house. Like I said, this one's really, really nice. It's in great shape also. We're at 2,700 square foot on this one, and pretty much needs nothing. Like I said, my plan personally, if I bought something like this, you got a couple choices. Keep it, live in it, because it is really, really nice and it's in great shape, or live in it and you have the whole front half section, build your dream house on it. 3, 4, 5,000 square foot home. If you're looking for the killer views, the land, totally have a place to stay. You can sell this later, maybe relocate it, subdivide the property. Just tons of options for you on this. So we'll come in and take a look. I'll show you guys this one. Everybody's hanging out on their phones in here.
We're working.
So if you come in, got a full living room section over here, which is kind of nice. Like I said, it's got skylights on it. Most people think manufactured homes aren't that nice, but this one is honestly nicer than most homes I've seen on property out here for the price point. Got a good sized kitchen. And then check this out. Let me show you guys this. This is one of the bigger selling points, because when you're here and you look out the windows, this whole property sits up elevated. So at nighttime, you can see all of the city lights out there. It's elevated just enough, and you can sit out and you can see full, like I said, panoramic view of the Santan Mountains right off your window, all the way around to the backside. So again, you got views working for you, you got property size working for you, you got city water, you got paved roads right to the property. Just a lot of opportunity on this one. Stuff like this just doesn't hit the market, and when it does, it's definitely not priced around this price range. So if you guys want more information on this, drop me a DM on this. We should have it on the market here in a few days. I'd love to see what a new buyer can possibly do with this one.